Okay, what's up, what's up? Hello, guys. Grabe, ginaw dito. Okay, I'm here in Harboris. Dito sa magandang lugar na to. Gusto ko talaga pumunta dito eh. So, how are you guys doing today? I hope you're all doing great. So, we're gonna find a spot kasi gusto kong magdada na naman ako. Magtutok na naman ako dito for my long form video. So, I'm gonna find a spot to sit down. Yung mainit para hindi po maginaw. Pwede ata dito maglakad. Gusto ko ba daw dito? Adun tayo. Dito. Ito gusto. Ganda dito. Gusto kong umupo. So, yeah, hello guys. I'm back from my long form again. So, to this video, um, my topic is all about um, motherhood and protect your mental health. And also, maybe I'll just include this topic about um, protect your spouse from your toxic family. So this is in general. Like all of these topics now are all general. I would just love because I like the space. I like that place in here. So we have a lot of topic for today's to talk. Just to talk. Ganda dito. Gusto ko pumunta dito. Ay. Upo lang kaya ako dito. Di ba ito basa? Ganda eh. Okay. Tingnan nyo. Ang ganda siya. Oh, mainit. Pero ang ginaw. So first is about motherhood. Motherhood is a gift from God because not all women is given a chance to be a mother. Lakad lang tayo hag at gusto kong uupo muna ako kasi mawawala ako eh. Dito muna ako. Dito muna tayo. Okay, upo muna ako guys. And then change tayo ng lugar. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna start this motherhood. I hope you hear me. You hear my voice really loudly. I have a microphone. I use my microphone. So, motherhood is an amazing feeling as a woman. There are couples out there that they've married for many years, but they don't have children. And some of the couples too, they have a choice for not having children, and that's their choice. Some of the couples they don't want children, and some of the couples they want children. And sometimes, mostly, it happens that the couple that like children, they don't have children. Yeah. Kung sino pa yung gusto talagang magkaanak, sila pa yung hindi binibigyan. Pero alam niyo ba, everything happens for a reason eh. The motherhood, um, it's a it's a face of a woman who you gonna start like a woman that you used to be by yourself, that you are not the main focus of your you are not focused on yourself anymore. I mean, you have this little human beings that you're gonna taking care of. So the motherhood is really a big responsibility. Some of the mothers that they get pregnant um, unplanned. Some of the mothers they're just trying to want to get pregnant. Some of the women try to get pregnant because they would love it. And some of the mothers, some of the women, they don't really want it. But you know what? What I'm trying to say, a motherhood is even if you don't have experiences to be a mother, it if you are already giving birth, it will just happen automatically to yourself. I don't know, but look like something is telling you that you have to do this. You're gonna just learn it, like automatic. Yeah, being a mother is like it's a joyful moment. It's a happiest moment of your life. It's really nice that we have children to taking care of, and they are the children is the only person that you would love us forever. I mean, if they grow up, they're always there. And mostly, if Jesus give you a son, it says that God wants you to have a true love, to feel the what true love is. And if Jesus give you a girl, it means that's a small version of you, like a little version of you. So mostly you have to be more careful if you have girl because they will copy. And even heaven also like a son. If you have a son, it will copy for yourself. Yeah, and also for all the mothers too, it's not easy to give birth. It's really painful. Like other life or death. That's we are dealing. Oo, ang ganda dito. Pahangin ba? Pero ang ginawa. Diba ang ganda? Para lang meron ka dito. Yeah, life or death lang yan eh. Yeah, it started from pregnancy, and then but you give birth, and then you have children. And it's not easy to be a mother, but it's the best feeling ever that you can't explain. And all the mothers out there, you know that you feel what I feel. It's the best feeling. Yes, it's the best feeling, and I'm so thankful that God gave that God gave me um my little son, that he has given me a chance that to have a child, which is my son. It's the best feeling that I couldn't imagine. Yeah, and yeah, there's a lot of sacrifices, responsibilities, but it's all worth it. Motherhood is a lot of sacrifices, responsibilities, but it's all worth it. It's all worth it. All of those um, nights that you don't have sleep, all of those nights that you don't have enough rest, take care of your children. The small little boy there, it's a little boy or girl there. It's a nice feeling, really. I can't express how happy I am that I have a son. Son, I will just add to about this parenthood. I just want to include that all of us is different parenting. Some of those parents also that the parenting is soft parenting and hard parenting. The soft parenting is mostly like you were just gonna talk to them, very calm, very that kind. But sometimes children they don't listen really. Sometimes children, especially toddlers, especially they are small, they don't really listen. But 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 if you go down their level and look at their eyes, they will listen. Yeah, they will listen. They were just a small human beings that you wanna try to explain it to them eye to eye, and they're gonna learn. They're just small. I mean, I learned a lot of of things how to discipline my son. So yeah, on all disciplines, and I will just give that one to the other parents because all of us have different choices, and I will just do whatever I want to do to my son, and you just do whatever you want to your children as long as we're not hurting them, as long as we know what we're doing, and we're not hurting them emotionally. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna sit here. So my next topic is all about what is motherhood, right? Ano, basa na ba ako? Oh, protect your mental health. Yeah, ito talaga. Kasi oh, ay ano ko na lang 'to, your mental health, ano ko na lang 'to siya, para siyang ano, para siyang it's connected to, like example, like, okay, this is, yeah, okay, protect your mental health, like this is very important, especially the mental health really is very important because it's a big um affect for that for our life if you have mental health problems. It's not really that you're crazy. I mean, like if you're dealing with a situation that it's hard for you to handle, like a depression, it can affect that. And sometimes it's hard to deal with that, because it's in your mind. You're like you're fighting your own mind, something like that. All you have to do is just go to the doctor, psychiatrist if you need it, psychologist, something like that. Yeah. So I cannot just real say I'm not mental health because I do not experience that kind of stuff. So also this my next topic also is like about, because I followed a lot in my Facebook, my personal Facebook, about a lot of creators also. So I get some ideas from them and also another other people. So this one is about, um if we are already married, like example, yeah, we already get married. So our spouse, our children is our primary priority, okay? And our parents and our spouse is the secondary priority. So you know what I mean? What I'm trying to say is that when we build a new family, they are your new family. They are your family that you build, and then meaning they are your priority. Whatever, whoever is that, your main family is your priority, not your mother, not your father. Of course, we still love our parents, but your priority is your main family. Yeah, okay. I'm saying with this one because there are lots of marriage out there that they broke up or is not working because of their parents, because of their family, because they are toxic. There are lots of what happen in the Philippines. There's a lot. And saying this one for like because I've heard a lot of stories and it's really happening in the world. Whatever nationality you are, it's really happening. There are lots of toxic mother-in-laws. There are a lot of toxic father-in-laws. There are lots of toxic, um, this is husbands or wives. This is in general, okay? Because and narcissistic in-laws. There are lots nowadays. There are a lot. So everything that you can do, protect your spouse, protect your children. If you have narcissistic or like sarcastic, narcissistic and what do you call this, toxic family, and you know that you have to protect your spouse, you have to protect your children, and how to protect that? You have to respect. You have to give boundaries. If your wife, if your husband tells you that, hey, I need boundaries this time, or I need boundaries because I can't deal with it anymore. That kind of stuff. You have to respect that. Because there are a lots of marriages out there that they're already broken because of their parents. Because the narcissistic, as what I understand, they are thinking about themselves, that they want to be prioritized first from their sons. They don't want their sons to prioritize their wives or their children or their husbands or their children. Okay, I'm talking to us to all of the mother-in-laws out there, father-in-laws out there, whoever is that, who are you listening? Are you there? Around the world, please, if you have narcissistic parents, don't let them ruin your family. Don't let them ruin your family. Maybe I think I understand what I understand about this because maybe the mother-in-law maybe think that what do you call this? How can I explain this? That instead them with their son or with their daughter, they have their own partner. They focus on their children. It's not them. Maybe that's a little bit of jealousy. I think maybe I don't know, but That's what I observe. Like a lot of the partners of a lot of the partners of husbands or wives now, they're suffering of emotional abuse, something like that. Because, and also the bad thing is there are other spouses too that they don't know how to protect their partner to their family, and it's not good. You have to protect your spouses with your toxic family if you have a toxic family. Okay, because you build a family, that's your family. You need to, if you want them with your whole life, to be with them forever, protect them. Yeah, protect them. And also this isn't my experience, huh, but this is what I really like understand, maybe because there are lots maybe of in-laws that they are just so nice with a partner, just nice only because their child is around. You know what I mean? So they're just trying to figure it out how to manage those kind of behavior, so they will not be like the ones who is just bad to their children. Maybe, I don't know. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna advise to you guys, for all of the couple out there. If you have your own family, focus your own family because they are your own family. That's your primary primary priority. Immediate family. Your parents is now your secondary. You build a family, and that's your responsibility to protect your spouse from your toxic family. If you have toxic family or narcissistic, don't let them ruin your marriage. No. And also, if your spouse cannot stand up for you, let it go. You can try to communicate it, but if you cannot stand up for you, let it go. Yeah, I know it's painful, but what you gonna do? You gonna just cry forever? No. But if it's happened to me, if I have toxic in-laws, bye bye. Yeah, try to be a toxic, and I will give you what you want. I don't wanna. I'm gonna force myself to be with you. I can live without you. Yeah. Yeah, spouse, protect your protect the mental health of your spouse, either your husband or wife. Protect them, because your partners, if they change, maybe because they did something, and you don't know about it. And the only thing, if you don't know, they're trying to manipulate you. They try maybe to protect their own, what do you call this? That they are always nice, is nice. That they always think that your family is nice. Some of that one happen like that. And some of the people acting like that because they want to be like the first. They want attention. They want like, hey son, hey daughter, I am your parents. Hey, I am your brother. I am your sister. Me first. No, come on. If you are married, stand up for your family. Stand up for your wife or husband. Stand up for children. Don't let your family, if you have toxic family, don't let them ruin your life, ruin your marriage. Protect your marriage. My in-laws, they're all nice, but they're just human beings also. They are just human beings. They are not perfect. I'm not perfect. For all of you guys that was experiencing toxic in-laws, father-in-laws, mother-in-laws, don't don't let don't let these people put you down. Don't let these people ruin your marriage. Don't let these people um, make you feel crazy. No. Stand your right as a spouse of their children. Stand. Ang layo ko na pala, oh. Kasi, nagagalit ako eh. I'm very, very, kasi sensitive yung topic na to eh. I am angry to those people who are so mean to the partners of their children. Nagagalit ako dyan. Kasi, there are lots of women in the Philippines suffering because their husbands cannot take good care of them because they are a mama's boy. Iwanan nyo na lang yan, mga mama's boy na yan. Wala yung mga kwenta. The mama's boy, they are not considered a real man. If they cannot protect you right, go to your mother, go back to your mother, dude. That's all. If you cannot protect your own wife, why you get married first? Why you married to her first? You know? And you also women, if you cannot protect your husband from a toxic family, if you have a toxic family, why you married your husband in the same place? Kasi siya na po ang ginawa po ng kamay ko. Ang layo ng ano ko, gusto kong mag-dance dito. Yeah, why you married in the first place? Ay, interesting ang topic ba? Gusto ko topic na to ba? Toxic. Mga narcissistic. Gusto ko yung topic na yun ba? Para mag-interesting siya, di ba? Wag ako. Not me. Not me. Because my behavior, if I don't say it, if I don't like it, I will say it. And me, I'm a kind of person like I'm just observing people, more observant of the actions. I observe people how they act. People, I am more observant now, and the good thing of me because I can sense is people is somebody talking behind my back. I can sense through the actions, through the eyes. I can sense it. I don't know why. Maybe I'm a Cancer horoscope. I don't know if it's connected, but that's really me. I can sense it. I can sense people are sarcastic, narcissistic. I will know. And I can feel that. Yeah. Ano ko lang, yung behavior ko kasi, nag-o-observe ako. I just observe and then obserbahan ko lang yan. Tapos, dinididma ko yan. Observe, and dinidma ko lang yan. Tapos, kasi pag isusuros mo talaga buhay, ganun talaga eh. So, okay, yun lang mga advice ko sa inyo, mga spouse dyan. Okay? If your parents or siblings are toxic to your spouse, protect your spouse and your children. That's all I can advise to everybody. Protect your spouse. Protect their mental health. Yeah. Yun na ba ang topic ko ngayon? Toxic and narcissistic. Naawa kasi ako eh. I feel bad about those women suffering because of the parents of their husbands or like wives. Ang dami kasi sa Philippines eh na they broke up because of the parents of their spouse. Ang sakit yun ha. That's what makes me so sad talaga. Nung their marriage is like it's broken because of the family of he of her or his spouse. Nangyari talaga yan. It's really happened for that. Kung sumayaw dito, post mo na ako ng shorts. Ganda yan, oh. Ano yan eh? Domino sugar yan eh. Yan, tingnan nyo yan. Domino sugar po yan. Factory po yan ng sugar. At saka dyan, yeah, 30 minutes na pala ako. Okay, i-recap ko lang po yun pala. Yun, that's it for now. I'm gonna dance here. I don't know. So my first topic it was motherhood. In-cap ko lang motherhood siya. So I want to congratulate to those mothers out there that who are soon to be a mother, and I'll pray for your delivery that you're gonna deliver um, safety, and also to those who are suffering for perimenopausal or depression. I'll pray for you and hope you're gonna, I hope you're gonna be healed, especially those we are going through now, depression, perimenopausal, and yeah, yun lang. Yung okay ha, okay, all spouse out there, please take good care of your spouse and children if your family is toxic, okay? Yun lang. At saka all spouse out there, if your partners trying to share it to you about, if they are not comfortable with your family, you have to listen and set boundaries. That's all that you can do. If they don't like about something, let it go. I'm not. If they don't like about something, respect. Okay? Okay, guys, I wanna go na. Mainit talaga ang ulo ko sa mga ganon, yung mga toxic na tao, yung mga narcissistic, yung mga sarcastic. Mairit ako ng ganon eh. Yun bang, there are lots of people kasi yung bang, yun bang yung they will just say about jokingly to you, but they're trying to belittling you, yung mga ganon tao. Yung mga ganun ba, yung mga naiirit ako sa ganun, iniinit ang ulo ko, I get angry for that kind of behavior, sarcastic. They will just joke you something like offensive joke because maybe they thought that you cannot defend yourself. Mag-ingat po kayo dyan kung sino nakarinig dito. Don't let people put you down. Don't let people dealing you sarcastic words and sensitive words. Stand up for yourself. Who are listening for that spouses? Marami kasi akong narinig ng mga MMK. Alam mo kaya is a real story, and I can see a lot of videos right there. So when I'm learning from the stories, I'm trying to collect all of those mga other people's ng mga nakaranasan nila, yung mga experiences nila, yung mga ganun. So yeah. So all of you guys, and also this video also is to all of those in-laws, all of those spouses there right there that they're struggling with their spouses family that they are who are toxic or narcissistic. That's all my message to you guys. Protect your wife, protect your children, and first, be your wife is your priority first, not your parents, not your siblings. Okay? And also, um, hold on. To all of those people who are toxic and narcissistic in-laws, wherever are you there, whoever who can listen to these videos, please be nice to the wives or husbands, to your son or wife. Okay, just be nice and be nice to them. Okay, that's all. And be careful of what you're saying, because you don't know, they're hurting inside. You don't know. Okay, don't insult them, don't belittle to them, don't um don't be sarcastic to them. I am telling this one to all of those toxic people there, narcissistic, those toxic in-laws there. I don't know you guys, whoever are you can listen to this video. Be nice to your daughter-in-law, son-in-law. Be nice because they are the one who are taking care of your child. Be nice. To all of this father-in-law, whoever is the father-in-law, sister-in-law, mother-in-law, brother-in-law, to all of you guys who are listening, for all of you who are toxic, please be kind. Be kind. I know they are not your blood, but be kind, okay? That's all that I can say. Just be kind. Because they are the one who taking care of your family. They are the one who taking care of your of your family with your own blood. Okay. Okay, wala na pa toxic ha. Don't be toxic. Whoever are you are listening to this. This is around the world. Okay? This is the global. I want to these people to hit global. For this, I want my voice to be heard to all of the in-laws right there who are toxic. Whoever are you, Asians, Americans, Africans, Australians, Europeans, or if you can hear my voice, if you are toxic or narcissistic to your in-laws or partner of your brother, partner of your wife, of your sister, please be kind. Don't insult them. Don't be sarcastic to them. Because they are the one who take good care of your family. Who to good. Oh, okay guys, I'm gonna continue. Nawala ako kasi the storage. Wala na akong storage. Okay po, maraming salamat. Natuloy, i-end ko na yung ano ko. Yung video ko, uwi na po ako. Ganda dito. Yeah, maging mabait lang po tayo. Just be nice to the partners of your brother, sister, to your, be nice to your daughter-in-law, son-in-law. Mabait lang po tayo. Huwag po tayo maging narcissistic dyan. Huwag po tayo maging toxic dyan. Be kind. Spread love. Okay? Kasi there are other family siguro na masaya sila na ano yung masira ng pamilya ng anak nila. Yeah, some other people are like that. They don't think about other people, just think about themselves. They're just happy if the marriage of their son or their children that is get divorced or like separated. Yan lang po tayo. Sige, mabait lang po tayo. That's why the reason why I have this topic, because I read a lot of content, I read a lot of Facebook, personal Facebook, may nabasa po ako doon na they suffer about the toxic in-laws. Nasasaktan din po ako. Okay? I got hurt because when we were suffering for the toxic in-laws. I got hurt to those husbands out there that suffering to the toxic in-laws. Kaya mabalik tayo. Especially you husbands. Please protect your wife. Yan lang po. Protect their mental health. Hindi po pero isang maging asawa. It's not easy to be a wife and it's not easy to be a mother. So please protect their mental health. Because there are lots of women out there, they give up. They give up their life because they don't know their depression. Because some of the women, they are struggling with financial stability, financial struggle. Yeah, marami po Okay, pray lang po tayo. God is always great. And thank you for listening about this topic today. It's a big topic because especially by the water. Okay guys, bye na po guys. Water toxin free na po ako. Hangin na po ng kamay ko. Maraming salamat po. Naiinit naiinis kasi ako eh. I got really mad to those toxic people eh. Naiinis ako. Even who you are, whoever, whatever you are, rich or how high class you are, wherever you are, rich you are, be kind to the people. And if your daughter-in-law, son-in-law is not rich, same as you, or not same as you, you know, or like middle class lang, tao pa rin yan. Tao pa rin yan. So maging nice lang po tayo dito. Ang ganda oh. Okay na, bye na guys. Okay, be kind, always be kind and pray. So I hope you can get any lesson about my topic for today. So always be kind lang po. Okay? Please stop for being toxic. Please stop for being narcissistic. If you are narcissistic or toxic, so you can feel that one eh. What kind of person you are. Okay? And respect your partner. And if you think that your family is sarcastic, narcissistic, put some boundaries. That's a problem solved. And don't let the guilt tripping, be careful for that. Meron ganyan. Okay po, bye-bye po. So, thank you for all guys for subscribing me, and please push the subscribe button if you want to subscribe. I'm sorry po about my voice because I'm freezing here. Ang ginaw po eh. Bye-bye. Uwi na po ako. Bye-bye. Magpo-post pa ako ng short sa 11 na po. Bye-bye. God bless.